So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Local ride-sharing drivers stop accepting rides for 48 hours, guys. So drivers are protesting like crazy. About 100 Lyft and Uber drivers in the Pittsburgh area stopped accepting rides at 3 p.m. Friday to protest working conditions. We want better wages and we want safety. That's all we are asking of them. We deserve it. We have all the costs. We accrue all of it. Uber is a great system. Lyft is a great system, but it's time to give us back money. Rich said they make about 1/3 of the fare charged to riders. Wow. And she said several other approximately 100 drivers who agreed to the stoppage said they also need more protection. I personally emailed Uber to give us something on our steering wheel, like a life alert thing. They never responded. Yeah, so it's basically over safety precautions and pay. But this is what it looked like. Yeah, people were really, really frustrated. So pretty big, but drivers stopped accepting rides for 48 hours. Let me know if this is pretty recent. This was just last month, or yeah, just a couple weeks ago. So let me know if you joined in on that, or if that's something you're noticing too with the 30%, or if you feel like you're making more than that or not. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.